Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my channel, you're welcome. So today's video is all about my natural hair. If you like this type of video, then you can keep on watching. So this video is a combination of my wash day routine and how I took down my twisted dreadlocks. This hair you're seeing on my head right now. So I've been wearing this hair for almost a month now. I really love this hair. I didn't want to take it down, but as you can see, it's not looking good anymore. And my scalp was itching really bad because of the sweat and the dirt. I'm gonna be using this Sios Professional Performance. This is the glossy shampoo. I'm gonna be using this to wash my hair. And after washing my hair, I'm going to apply this Charisma Voltage as my conditioner. And after washing it and conditioning my hair, I'm going to use these two products as my deep conditioner. This is Garnier Fructix Super Hair Food, and this is Banana Treatment. This is Forest Story. And I'm going to use this Tango Teaser to scrub my scalp because my hair is really dirty. So I'll be using this Tango Teaser to scrub and wash my scalp. So after washing my hair, I went ahead and put it into a twist out like this. This is the next day. Now I'm going to take down this twist out because my hair is fully dried now and I can style it however I want. So guys, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.